guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, we have to talk about Mullen, ticker MULN, because we had here a small squeeze from more than 100%. But this is not good news, to be honest, guys. Yeah, we have here some very bearish information. I have to share that with you. That's why I give you here an update on Mullen. Also, some of my members asked me here to do an update. I want to share that, of course, with you. As you know, guys, everything what I say here is not financial advice. Yo, guys, you see here some drawings in the chart. As you know, I never change or adjust my charts. Everything what I had here in the previous videos is the same. And what does that mean? We had here a squeeze trigger level for Mullen at $1.70. That was the previous Fibonacci level. That's why we could trade here Mullen when I made my last video here. That was a very easy swing trade here of 128%. And again, Mullen squeezed in total more than 130%. I will show you that in a second. The problem is, guys, when you have something like that, then of course post squeezes need to happen here. We have here some technical events in the chart, but for now, unfortunately, this is not bullish, guys, because what normally happens when you have these kind of Fibonacci retracements, that is very good for a squeeze. And also we know that usually stocks retest this level here one more time. If they tank down, they retest this level one more time, and if they get rejected, this is usually the beginning of a downtrend or a continuation of this horrible downtrend, and where Mullen is trading in, guys. I don't know how long you follow my channel, or if you're quite new here. I said already that we have here a very high potential for Mullen, that this ticker here will get delisted. This ticker is just surviving here at the Nasdaq by doing stock split over stock split over stock split. We had here many stock splits for Mullen already here in the last years. So this is absolute not good, guys, and not in favor here for this ticker. Even we have here some volume events, which is the reason why you see squeeze actions like that. But don't forget, Mullen had here some bad announcement. I will show you that in a second. So what I don't like, I switch now here for a second to the 4 hours chart. So this is the daily chart. We don't see here any kind of 130% squeeze. You can see we just see here a price action of 64%. But when I switch to the 4 hours chart, then abracadabra, we will see that this ticker here, Mullen, squeezed here in total 132%. Why I'm not bullish, guys? Why do I don't say, nah, now we will squeeze, guys? No, I mentioned it just before. The Fibonacci price levels will be retested here, and if you see a rejection, this is absolute not good. When I enable the drawings one more time, you can see the $1.70 level has been retested here. That was the previous support where Mullen had its short squeeze. Now, also the small squeeze of 128%, and now you can see we got rejected, and one of the next price targets is $2.35, but we can see we have here a very heavy sell-off reaction here. In total, just in one day, we lost already 41% out of this aftermarket price action here. Mullen is still 15% plus. Mullen is struggling here, of course. Mullen needs to stay above $1. This is very important. We had a very big volume here in November. That's why I was quite sure we will see a post squeeze here. But what is not good, guys, and I have to share that information with you right now, we will maybe see here again a reverse stock split for Mullen. Oh, I'm sorry. I will show you that later, guys. So we have here announcement for Mullen that they will do one more reverse stock split here. Sorry here for the advertise. There is one more reverse stock split. They will do a stockholder meeting, and they asking here for a reverse stock split again. And what I don't like, or what I don't understand, they say they want to do it because of the bid price requirements here. They have to do it because they want to stay listed at the Nasdaq, and the minimum bid price rule is, of course, $1. Mullen is still trading here above $1, and they already do this reverse stock split now because I think they know that they have no chance here to escape at the market. When we see the bigger picture here for this stock, we can make some money here, don't get me wrong, guys, but in my honest opinion, not financial advice, nothing what I say here is financial advice. But when you see stocks like that, guys, there is only one thing what you should do, or what you can do in focus or in point of a trader. Go short, short. As I said, there are some trigger events here. Yes, they have some short squeeze events, but stocks like that, guys, that's the only thing what you can do is to go short. So everybody who bought in here, even in April, I mean, guys, in April, 2024, the stock was traded at $237. Of course, these prices here are split adjusted, but we're trading now here back at $1. And guess what? The short sellers will always bring Mullen back down below $1. The short interest is here over 20%, which is very, very bearish. And for now, there is no chance, in my opinion, to recover. Of course, the stockholders or investors, they have to approve a reverse stock split, but the company cannot survive just by doing reverse stock splits. And the problem is, if they do a reverse stock split, yes, the price will be over $1 for a period of time, but the market capital, guys, is also one of the listing requirements. We can see that the market capital for Mullen is just $11 million, and they need at least 35 million, at least, in best case, 50 million plus market capital to stay listed on the Nasdaq. So I stay with my opinion, guys. Of course, they can do reverse stock split, but we have here a very high potential that Mullen gets delisted here between January and February 2025. And if they just survive by doing a reverse stock split, they will just extend that period. I will let you know, of course, the new time period then, but we have here, yeah, not a bright future for Mullen, in my opinion, because this is the problem. When they do a reverse stock split, the price will go up, and then, of course, they need a new capital. And what goes hand in hand with a reverse stock split is dilution, guys. So, and that is what they did over and over again. I can just say that one more time. Yeah, I mean, we just talk here. I mean, we can just make a quick check together if you want that here. We're talking here, guys, yeah, a price of 600 here, or when we even talk about the beginning of January, that was around here, guys. We're talking about a price of $1,200 split adjusted, yeah, in January 2024. Now we have December, the last trading day for this year, guys, and we're talking about $1.27. Yeah, this is what Mullen is now doing here. And I can say, you know, there is always hope. There is always hope, guys. There is always, if you really want to make some money here with a long position, you can do some swing trades, but there are much better opportunities in the market, guys. If you don't know my channel, I always have here a mission. I try to predict short squeezes, and I predicted here 5 big squeezes just in the past trading days here. I release every Sunday my so-called hot stocks, and I release here swing trade alert tickers on Patreon. And you can see here just in December here, in the last days here of December, we had squeezes between 107 and 480%. You know, there are a lot of stocks in the market which are worth it to trade. Mullen, you need to know what you do here, and you need to know what is realistic here for this ticker, guys. So be very careful with that, yeah. Besides this, so if you want to see those tickers here, my secret short squeeze stocks, I upload here every weekend or every Sunday my hot stocks, and when I release those tickers here in these videos, that means that I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very few next days. You can see that my members here made a lot of profits already, and of course there is never a guarantee. You need, of course, to know how to trade, but if you want to see those hidden short squeeze plays, then you can join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits which you get when you join in the full package membership. If you want to join in, guys, since we're growing every day, then you can click here also the info icon in the corner to get access to the Patreon member link, guys. What is the game plan for Mullen, guys? Okay, let's talk about a dream world, right? So we have one open gap here at $1.45. We have to close this gap, guys. The chance to close open down gaps is about 90%. Let's now talk about the best case scenario for Mullen. Let's just assume this squeeze will continue. Then Mullen, yeah, in worst case comes back down to 57 cents. Yeah, keep that in mind, 57 cents. I will draw that here in the chart. Here is the next technical algo support, where we could see again a 100% squeeze coming. In best case, if this squeeze is still active here, Mullen will come back to $1.03 here, between $1.08 and $1.03, and then we could see a continuation of the squeeze. We didn't retest $1.70 yet in the daily chart. That's why I think there is potential that we can retest this in the daily chart, and this swing trade would even bring us here a price run up of 64%, and when we retest the next price level, $2.34, that means Mullen could do again a 120 or 100% squeeze here. This is technically possible. Keep that in mind when we break $1, or in that case, Mullen traded already at 89 cents. The next price level will be 57 cents before we see any kind of technical reaction. This is not financial advice, but this is what the chart is telling us. Yeah, my friends, if you want to copy here the price levels, as I said, $1.08, $1.03 is the price level where something could happen here. If this squeeze is active, I would not expect too much. We can see here already a huge sell-off candle here, so be very careful. If this price level breaks, the next step is 57 cents before we see any kind of big technical reaction. And if you want to copy the price levels here, the exit $1.70, the next exit is $2.35. You can, of course, copy here my chart, guys. This is everything based on TradingView. This is what I use here for all my trades and all my videos, this program. If you don't have TradingView yet, and if you want to learn trading, guys, maybe you want to start next year and say, hey, fuck my 9-to-5 job, you know, it's boring. I want to do my own thing. Then, guys, it is everything possible with trading, but you need a good chart program, and that's why I always recommend TradingView. I am not sponsored, but I can give you here a $15 discount link on the premium tier. This is what I recommend. When you click the info icon here in the corner, you get access to this $15 TradingView discount link. So, my friends, I wish you all the best for 2024 and even better things for 2025. Have a relaxed New Year's Eve, guys. Yeah, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for your support and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, einen guten Rutsch. Bis zum nächsten Video, bis 2025. Take care. Thank you so much, guys. Bye, bye.